Welcome, Wolvespirit. We're going to open some Happy Mail today. We got several packages that we just picked up from the mailbox, so let's see what's in this first one. It is from Amazon. Of course, I haven't seen any of this yet. It's still all sealed up.
Hold the flap down on this side.
Okay. This is my new Bluetooth headphones, so I can be able to listen and hear the videos while we're going down the road and not have distractions from music my husband's playing or him trying to talk to me or whatever. It's a double ear headphones. And before now I had a Bluetooth headset with just the single ear and a mic. And this has a built-in mic with it also.
That's all that was in that box?
That's it for that box. There's something else. We have a Golan's 3-in-1 microwave air fryer convection oven in our truck that we cook with a lot of the times. And I ordered these perforated pan liners for the air frying pans. So hopefully these are going to help us keep our pans cleaner and easier to clean after cooking with them. That's it in that box. So we got another box here from Amazon. As you can see, the smiley thing right there. Whoop, careful, open that. Okay, got a package inside a package. I just love these. And they taped it up really good too. While I'm getting this open, I want to thank my husband today for helping me video this. He's the one behind the camera this time.
Hello.
Okay. One of the things I've gotten into recently is diamond painting. Well, this is a little vacuum to pick up the diamonds that you drop. And that's a couple of little accessories that goes with it. And that's it in that box. So that's cool. So when I spill diamonds all over the floor, I can be able to pick them up without...
Got little brushes on it.
Yeah. That would like agitate the carpet to bring the diamonds up. And then we don't have to worry about our dog getting them first. That's one of the things I do while we're home on off time, is diamond painting so far, but I'm hoping to do more in the near future. So here's another Amazon package with a big envelope. I'll eventually get into this thing. Let's see what's in here. Okay, some more tools I ordered for diamond painting. So these are supposed to help with straightening your diamonds when they get a little bit crooked in the row and help seat them better on your painting. There's several different sizes. I think there's 5 different sizes in there. And then this one is different rulers. It also helps you keep your diamonds in a row. There's 3 different size rulers, different lengths and such. And since I'm not going to be doing any diamond painting for a little bit, I'm just going to keep these wrapped up, keep them protected and everything. And these are, I think it was like 400 little baggies to put the leftover diamond drills in to keep them protected and separated in their different colors and everything. So that's one way I'm going to organize my diamonds. When I finish a painting, I have leftovers.
Okay, David here. This first package, we do cat scales when we have to weigh our truck when it's possibly going to be overweight. And one thing we found out recently is once you get 60 cat scales paid for, they will send you a full set with the book. That's what's supposed to be in here. So let's see what we got. Right. Well, there's definitely the book. Okay. They they sent the scales, or the cards we collect, in little sets of envelopes. That one ends in 20, this one ends in 10, this one ends in 30, 60, 50, and 40. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and that's how many are supposed to be. All Series 19. And then we just fill the book up with the cards.
So I guess we'll be working on that later.
Yeah. But yeah, that looks like the whole set.
Yep.
Boy.
And sending us that book with that set of cards is free. Of course, we've already paid for 60 different cat scales anyway, and at this point they're $12.50 per scale and $3 to rescale. If you're overweight the first time, then you have to slide the tandems to get legal, which I'll talk about that in another video later on.
Okay. This is the second package. This is from Eagle Moss. This is my DeLorean kit that I'm working on, building the Back to the Future car. This is supposed to be a video about the restoration of the original Back to the Future car. The fans and a couple of the production people involved actually rebuilding the car after they found it basically in a junkyard, essentially destroyed. They're rebuilding it to the movie specs for a collection. Okay, this is by monthly parts for the DeLorean. There's supposed to be like kit 90 through 94, I think, or something like that. Somewhere around 90-ish.
And how many kits are there?
Like 150 of them, I believe.
I think it was 130.
But well over 100. So we still got a ways to go. And of course, I haven't gotten very much built yet. I've only got like 10 kits put together completely so far.
I like all the packing material. Jeez.
Yeah, it's all packing material.
There's something in that one.
Yeah, there's kits in that.
Okay. Well, there's your packing list.
There's the packing list. It is kits 91 through 94.
Okay.
And for each kit, you get an instruction book. There's 94, 93, 92, 91. And as you can tell, these people don't know how to count. And inside, this is the set, the kit. Right here. That's the parts that are in this kit. This is body assembly and chassis. So it's part of the body. Don't know exactly what exactly. And the first several pages are your instruction pages. And then after the instruction pages, ooh, I have to put the body on the car. They have some information about the movie itself. Poster artist. Yeah, I think that's all that's in this one, because this is all instructions, looks like. The next one is going to be for the taillights. That's what 92 is. Let's see. And then after I do the taillights, some more behind the scenes history stuff. And then the next set is going to be headlights. Backlights, front lights.
Each magazine for each kit has some part of the behind the scenes for the movie series.
And okay, the next kit after the headlights is the valance, which is like the undercarriage on the front end, like the air dam. And that would be kit 94 is the air dam. And then kit 95, which I'll get next month sometime, is going to be the actual front bumper. This is the binders that come with them for storing the books. You get one of these about every 3 or 4 sets. You put the books inside here. I've got a couple of them completely put away. So, okay.
And that's it for the Happy Meal this time around.
Well,
oh no, I forgot about the kits.
That's not the actual kit. Let's see. There's 91, the taillights kit, basically. There's 92, which is, actually, that's the taillights, I think. Yeah. No, that's the headlights.
93 was the headlights.
No,
92 was the taillights.
Oh,
91 was part of the body.
Yeah, 93 is the front bumper, the front clip, and the headlights.
Okay.
And 94 is the under part of the bumper.
Okay.
So that's all the parts.
I think that's everything.
That's all the Happy Meal.
Thank you for watching Wolvespirit Productions. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you can get notifications next time we're doing videos. And share our videos to your friends and have them come over and take a look. We'll have more being posted soon. See you later.